What if I told you Jeep's next compact SUV could be its biggest game changer yet? A Cherokee replacement that might not even wear the Cherokee badge, but promises to redefine everything. Hi guys, a lot of you are watching but haven't subscribed or liked yet. What are you waiting for? Come on, join the team for even more mind-blowing automotive content. All right, buckle up. Let's go! So here's the deal. Jeep is cooking up a compact SUV that will bridge the gap between the smaller Compass and the mighty Grand Cherokee. But there's a twist! This beast will come loaded with off-road ready trims that'll flaunt Jeep's legendary trail-rated badge. Oh, and here's the kicker. It's likely packing both hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, and here's why Jeep can't afford to mess this up. Compact SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V dominated 2024's sales charts. Ignoring this segment, that's like playing catch with a lit firecracker. Bad idea. So, what's Jeep cooking up under the hood? The Cherokee successor is expected to ride on Stellantis' cutting-edge STLA large platform, shared with electric legends like the Wagoneer S and Recon. But here's the twist. It'll initially hit the streets with gas-electric hybrid power. Front-wheel drive versions will likely rock a 1.5-liter hybrid engine, but Jeep's playing smart. For the U.S. market, expect a bigger, more powerful engine. Because let's face it, Americans love their horsepower. And for the adventure junkies out there, the 4xe plug-in hybrid models are sure to deliver, packing more electric punch and off-road prowess. Now let's talk numbers. Jeep's Compass starts under $28,000. The Grand Cherokee sits above $35,000, so we're predicting this Cherokee replacement to drop in the sweet spot, around $31,500. Affordable? Competitive? You decide. Guys, this compact SUV isn't just about specs, it's Jeep's chance to crush the hybrid game and take on rivals like the CR-V Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, and Kia Sportage Hybrid. Will they pull it off? Only time will tell. If you're hyped about this new Jeep, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, drive safe, and keep dreaming big, and I'll catch you in the next video.